everyone, this is Shafiq from Knowledge Byte channel. Today we are going to see one interesting topic from Microsoft Excel, which is very helpful for those people who are working in IT sector. The topic is about data validation. Topic is about data validation. First of all, you must understand what is data validation and where this option is available. Most of the people might not be aware of this option, but it is one of the most important option which is available in Microsoft Excel. Assume that you are typing any data over here. It can be any data. Now in any cell there is no condition given, no validation options were given, so you are very free to type any type of data. You can even type text, you can even type numbers, you can type as small number as you can and as big numbers as you can, because there is no validation was applied or no condition was applied. But when you are using data validation option, when you are specifying any condition, so based on that condition only you can able to type the data in particular cell. For example, let's start with numbers first. See, this validation options, when you go and see, this validation is of different types. It's not only for numbers, it's applicable for text also, it's applicable for typing date and time also. So for so many options are given. If you want to access the validation option, you must go to data tab. You must go to data and there will be an icon like this. When you hover about it, when you hover the mouse over it, it will show you an option called data validation. So when you click this option, data validation, you will get a dialog box like this. Here by default the option which is selected is any value. That's the reason why you can able to type any value in any cell. Now when you click on this, it is showing different options like whole number, decimal, list, date, time, like this. Now if you select whole number option, okay, below it will specify a lot of conditions like between, not between, equal to. Automatically it will give you several options where depending upon the condition you wish to apply, you can select any one of these options. Now imagine maybe when you are typing any data, when you are typing any numbers, now in this particular cells from here to here you want to type only the numbers below 100. I don't want to type above 100. Like for example, imagine a case where you are preparing mark list for a school. Usually the marks will be only for 100 marks. The subject marks, maximum marks will be for 100, not beyond 100. So at times when you're typing any marks, there are chances that you may do some error. When you're typing 12, by mistake you may type 123. So that will also accept. It will not show you that it is an error because we haven't applied any conditions over there. So Excel will not identify and it will accept you that number also, and later on you will come to know that what you have typed is wrong. So to avoid those things, what you can do is you can just select the cells where you want to apply the condition, and after selecting, go to data validation option, and in data validation option you should select whole number. So what condition I told, maximum number which I can allow is up to 100. I should not type beyond 100. So here less than or equal to option will be better for this case. So we can select less than or equal to, and here you should type the maximum value. The maximum value is 100, right? Now click OK. So this condition is applied by now. Now when you type any number beyond 100, it will not allow you. It will show you error. So again you have to retry and you should type the numbers below 100 only. Then only it will accept. Before the condition applied, when you typed, it will accept. Now when you try to type only in these cells which I have selected, because the conditions are applied only for these cells. Now when I type the number beyond 100, whatever the number you type beyond 100, it will not accept. It will accept only up to 100. Beyond 100 it will not accept. So this is one type of validation. Now the same validation you can apply for decimal numbers also. Decimal means 99.99, up to that I want to allow. I should not allow beyond that. Then you can select decimal option. Here you can apply 99.99. So only up to 99.99 it will allow. It will not allow 100 like this. So when you are using decimal values, this option will be very helpful. And here two more options are given: input message, error alert, like this. Error alert will be helpful when you are typing this data. Okay, by default when you are typing the wrong value, it is showing some message automatically. The value doesn't match data validation restriction, like this it is showing. Now if you want to specify your own message here, because what condition you have given you only know, others don't know, right? If you specify the message over here, it will be very easy for that person to type the numbers according to the condition which you have applied. For that, what you have to do is you should go to data validation option. In error alert you can give any title here, like information, and in error message you can type please enter the number up to 99.99. so like this you can give and click OK. So the next time when you type any number, it will show you the error message. Sorry, just something happened here. Yeah, so you can see here it will show you information, what title which I gave, it will show you that same title as well as the same message which I have entered there. So this will help any other user also. If somebody else is using your Excel sheet, when he types the number there, wrong number, I mean he doesn't know whether the condition is applied or not. So if he type any number which is beyond the limit of the condition, then it will show them the message what you have entered. So by seeing this he can identify, okay, here the conditions have been applied. So this is for numbers, validation in numbers. Then you have one more validation option here, date, time, like this is there. So date and time also you can restrict, like only up in that particular cell, only from this date to this date alone I should type, means I can give that option also. And there is an option called list here. This is one of the interesting option in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes you type a lot of values. Say for example you type a lot of names or a lot of numbers. All these numbers will appear in different cells, but I want all of these numbers to appear in a single cell so that I can use any one of those numbers or any one of those datas as an option. Like for example, when you are preparing any list, maybe for grocery items, when you are preparing any list like sugar, salt, rice, wheat, when you are designing any bill and all, invoice, so here typing again and again the same thing will be difficult. So for that, what you can just do is you can type all these data in somewhere else in any sheet. Suppose you are creating any invoice, means where that list should appear, in that particular position you should select the cell and then go to data validation option, select this option called list, and here you should click on source. You should select all these data which you want them to appear in the list option and click OK. Now you can see here automatically there is a drop down list box like will appear. When you click on this button, it will show you all the options: sugar, rice, wheat. So whichever the option you want, that option you can select. This can be applied to multiple cells as well, because I have clicked only on this cell. So in that cell only that list will appear. If I select multiple cell and apply that condition in multiple cells also, those list will appear. It will help to reduce my task. So that I can able to select any options very easily in just one go. Okay, so this is about data validation. There is last one option is given in data validation, that is about text length. Text length is nothing but when you are typing any text. In text also, for example, only 5-digit letters or less than 5-digit letters I want it to type means I can able to give that option, so that it will only count the number of letters I want it to type. For example, sugar is a 5-letter word, right? SUGAR, 5-letter. So beyond 5-letter word, I don't want it to appear in that particular cell means I should select text length, and there I should give any condition, maybe for example less than or equal to 5. So only 5-letter words or less than 5-letter words alone will appear. It will allow. Beyond 5-letter word, when you are typing something, okay, it will not allow. Like for example, pomegranate. So when you are typing lengthy letters, it will not allow because it is going beyond 5 letters. So text length also you can able to give condition. Now this is about data validation option. With this, I'll wind up this today's session. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.